follow the money. Today, the prosecutors led the jury down the path of a paper trail of suspicious bank transactions, questionable payments, and what witnesses called forged trust account documents. Prosecutors say it was all used to carry out that massive 18-wheeler staged accident scheme, one that ultimately led to the murder of a government witness. The first witness was Las Vegas attorney Toby Mathis, who set up a Nevada asset protection trust for defendant Sean Alfordish. According to the indictment, Alfordish used that trust, called the JA Trust, and a series of shell companies, including Affiliate Management and JA Medical, to conceal his identity and route illicit cash to participants in the staged collisions. Mathis showed the jury the legitimate documents used to establish the trust back in July 2015. Then he pointed to fraudulent trust amendments, documents he says show how Alfordish may have bypassed banking rules to control the trust funds that included removing him as the distribution trustee of the account. Mathis told jurors his signature and the notary stamp on those documents were fake. It would appear somebody forged this, he said. Beverly Cormier, whose notary stamp appears on the amended trust documents, also took the stand and said it looked like a forgery. She told jurors she never notarized the paperwork or witnessed Alfordish signing it. Next up, FBI forensic accountant Lisa Ferrara. She testified she reviewed hundreds of thousands of pages of bank records and other financial documents belonging to both Alfordish and Leon Parker. Ferrara told the jury Alfordish alone had 14 business and personal bank accounts at 8 different banks. She said some were opening as others were closing, making it difficult to track all the money flowing in and out. Ferrara testified that there were large payments out of Alfordish's affiliate management account one day after some of the staged collisions discussed during the trial. She said Cornelius Garrison received 83 payments in 2017 and 2018 from Alfordish, totaling nearly $200,000. Garrison was a high-level crash slammer and recruiter, secretly cooperating with the FBI when he was murdered in September 2020. Ferrara also pointed to what prosecutors believe was a trail of unusual transactions, ATM withdrawals, and money moved from one account to another. On cross-examination, Alfordish's attorney presented documents suggesting some of the cash withdrawals came from casinos in Louisiana, Mississippi, and Nevada, and at Churchill Downs Racetrack in Kentucky. On redirect, Ferrara was asked about a Google search tied to Alfordish, asking how far back the government can go to seize money from someone convicted of a federal crime. Ferrara also showed the jury tens of thousands of dollars going into Parker's bank accounts from staged accident settlements, and records showing he withdrew $39,000 from his Regions account the day before Garrison's murder. And FBI agent Michael Hambach took the stand late this afternoon. He was the FBI's lead investigator in the Garrison murder, and he testified that investigators found text messages on Garrison's phone from a burner phone that was purchased the day before the murder. And that led to a long trail of evidence leading to Ryan Harris, then Leon Parker. Harris is a co-conspirator turned government witness who testified earlier during the trial, and he told the jury that Sean Alfordish paid to silence Garrison, and Parker pulled the trigger. We're live outside the federal courthouse in downtown New Orleans. Paul Murphy, WWL, Louisiana.